markers and look at, wow. This is a good container.
I'll be green.
All right.
I'm gonna go first because I'm lucky.
Okay, you go first. What are you gonna be, X's or O's?
Oh.
Okay, I'll be X then. Got block ya.
Be smart, kid.
Here.
Oh, tic-tac-toe, right?
Oh my goodness.
You gone.
Oh darn, I missed it. You got me.
Yeah.
Well, good job. It was a great.
I send you.
And I didn't eat it.
Nose.
Nose and nose.
Nose and mouth.
Head. Shouldn't need the toes, need the toes.
Okay.
Head. Shouldn't need the toes, need the toes.
Okay.
Let's do it. We'll take great care of him.
All right. I'll see you in a bit.
Thank you.
Bye, baby.
No.
He's gonna stay here. They're gonna stay right in
We
this room.
stay here. We're not going to go anywhere.
You're gonna be in good hands with doctors and nurses, okay?
And then you'll come back and see
And
them.
then Jesus loves you. Yeah.
Here we go. We'll see you guys soon. You like Pikachu?
Yeah.
Who else?
All right.
You like Pikachu? Do you like... So here, we have a lot of time right behind you. Anyone that's are you guys familiar with this campus?
This is our first circle.
I'll bring over here.
Yeah, they'll bring the Motrin up.
Okay.
But sometimes they... And sit up a little bit. Here, I'll hold it while you get up. We'll scoot you back a little bit. All right.
Remember when Crazy D was in rare form.